Bringing light, bringing peace, giving hope to the streets. Soon we'll see you shine your light on me. I just want to see your face, shine your light on me. I just want to see your grace, shine your light on me.
Hey guys, it's Renée Udowu, live and direct. I hope you're doing well. So as you can see, your girl is sporting a new look. I know, what do you think? I'm kind of feeling it. I feel like this is giving me like grown vibes. This is kind of giving me like arrogant Tay, like, you know, I don't know, something about it is just, I'm just feeling it. And I have collabed with Myfirstwig on this, and oh my gosh guys, I'm so excited. When I found out I was going to be working with them, I was so excited. You don't know how many YouTube videos I've watched, and I've always said, oh, one of Myfirstwig, I really want one, I really want to collab with them, I really want to buy one. And literally God made it happen. I actually collabed with them to create my own wig with them, so this design will be on their site for you to purchase, and you can also obviously book with me for me to install it on your head when we can start installing wigs on people's heads. Probably, hopefully the government will allow us in July, but if not, I can still customize it for you, style it and send it straight to you. Yeah, so this wig can actually be purchased on their site. I'll put all the details down below. I'll put the I'll put the link for where you can purchase this wig down below as well, and then you guys will be slaying like me. Yes honey. So the wig came in this beautiful box, and it's such a nice box, like so classy, so nice to keep your wigs in after. It's just lovely. So, going on to the contents of what is inside the box, I received these conditioner packets. I didn't even know what they were. I had to go online to see what they were, but they are actually conditioners. So that's really nice, and they gave me about 4, and they can be used to condition your wigs, and I believe they're really good for working with the wigs. That's why they provided us with them. So yes, thank you so much, Myfirstwigs. And then my wig came in this amazing wig bag. I've never had a wig bag before, so this is like, oh my gosh, my wig has a storage like crazy. Came in this wig bag, and yeah, when I'm going on holiday and I want to take this wig or any other wig, I can easily just pop it in this bag, and it can be so easy for me to just travel with my wig. So as you can see, there are some things inside the wig bag as well. So the first thing is the specs of the wig. So these are all the details that you need to know about the wig. I'll also put these all down below as well. But yeah, it was nice to see that they had given me specs, so I knew exactly what I was getting, and there was no confusion. Then on the back is like the return policy, all of the return and exchange if you wanted to return your wig for any reason. And then I got these wig caps that actually match my skin tone pretty well, so thanks for that. I don't actually wear wig caps, but if I did in the future, if I was going to use it for a client or something, I would definitely use those because they look really great quality. And then obviously you can see me taking out my wig, but first of all I want to show you this. This is like a band, it's like a bra strap kind of band, and I believe you're meant to sew this in or clip it onto the back, or clip it into the there's like a section I'll show you guys inside the hair that you can literally slide it into and adjust. It's absolutely amazing. I haven't actually put it in my own wig, but when I do take it off and decide to put the wig on again, I will actually put it in. Without you, I would be nothing. No air would flow through my lungs. Without you, I'd be forgotten. Nobody's singing. Okay, so inside the wig looks like this. This is what I was showing you. You know those 2 black bits? Those are the bits I'm talking about that you can clip your wig band onto, which is amazing. And then, so there's so much grip inside this wig. There are 2 combs at the top, there's 1 comb at the bottom, and there's also an adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to your head. This wig is like the best. The best. If you are getting your first wig for the first time, this is just amazing. It's got everything you need, and it's so good. It's so comfortable. I'm literally wearing it right now, and I just don't feel like I'm wearing a wig. It's just so nice. The hair is so silky and beautiful. I mean, look at it. Just absolutely amazing. Here I'm just giving you guys a closer look at the lace. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so nothing much needs to be done to it. I did go in and pluck it a bit more and bleach the knots just a bit more to my liking, but it's really not necessary for anybody else to do it. I just decided to do that. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys in more detail what everything looks like.
You're taking me up and up and up and away. You're my darling, darling, darling. Without you, I would be nothing. No air would flow through my lungs. Without you, I'd be forgotten. Nobody's singing my song. I'm safe as long as you're with me. At least you're here in my mind. Without you, I would be nothing. That's why I keep you around. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me alive. With you, I feel like a fighter. Nothing can make me back down. With you, I fly so much higher. Yeah. I'm never stuck on the ground. You save me from falling, 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 falling. You're taking me up and up and up and away. You're my darling, 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 darling. You're making my world a nothing can make me back down. With you I fly so much higher. Yeah. I'm never stuck on the ground. You save me from falling, 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 falling. You're taking me up and up and up and away. You're my darling, 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 darling. You're making my world of darkness turn into day. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me alive. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me alive. Without you, I would be nothing. No air would flow through my lungs. Without you, I'd be forgotten. Nobody's singing my song. I'm safe as long as you're with me. At least you're here in my mind. Without you, I would be nothing. That's why I keep you around. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me alive.
So yes, I know I didn't style this, guys. I didn't show you guys how I styled it, but don't worry, it is on my Laid by Nate Instagram. So if you'd like to see how I got these luscious and beautiful curls, go straight to my Instagram. I'll put it right here. I'll put the link down below for where you can find this tutorial. I just want to say a big thank you to Myfirstwig for allowing me to collaborate with them and giving me the opportunity, because they are such an amazing company. It came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached as well. So the whole purpose of Myfirstwigs is that it's meant to be great for beginners. So people that have never had a wig before, Myfirstwigs is the best place to go if you want a wig and you've never had one, you want to try it, you've always wanted to try one. Myfirstwigs is going to be your best place to purchase one from. So it came basically ready to wear. Obviously I'm a hairstylist, so I always have to do my little tweaks. So I did go in and bleach the knots just a little bit. It didn't need to, but I literally put it on for 5 minutes and just to bleach it just a bit more to my skin tone. And then I also went in and plucked it a little bit more. That's why I say that if you get this wig, then you can send it to me and I can literally make it even better. Not that it needs to be changed, but I can transform it, girl, okay? And I did not dye this hair. This hair came this color. This is the 18-inch wig, and I curled it, and obviously it's curled, but it still reaches like there on me, so when it's straight it will definitely be a bit longer. Obviously if you guys would like to see me do a little review on how it is in a few months time, you know, or in a month's time, then let me know down below. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bringing light, bringing peace, giving hope to the streets. Soon we'll see you shine your light on me. I just want to see your face, shine your light on me. I just want to see your grace, your grace.